Aviation is one of the safest ways to travel, but history has seen tragedies that changed the industry forever. Here are the 10 deadliest plane crashes of all time, ranked by fatalities. 10. TAM Airlines Flight 3054, Brazil 2007. 199 people died when Flight 3054 overran the runway in São Paulo and crashed into a building due to braking issues. 9. China Airlines Flight 611, Taiwan 2002. Structural failure caused China Airlines Flight 611 to disintegrate, killing 225. 8. American Airlines Flight 191, USA, 1979. 273 lives were lost when Flight 191's engine detached after takeoff, causing the aircraft to crash. 7. Iran Air Flight 655, Persian Gulf, 1988. The USS Vincennes mistakenly shot down Flight 655, killing all 290 people on board. 6. Malaysia Airlines Flight 17, Ukraine, 2014. A Buck missile struck Flight MH17, killing all 298 passengers and crew. 5. Air India Flight 182, Atlantic Ocean, 1985. A terrorist bombing destroyed Flight 182, killing all 329 people on board. 4. Turkish Airlines Flight 981, France, 1974. A cargo door failure caused explosive decompression, leading to the deaths of all 346 people on board. 3. Charkhi Dadri mid-air collision, India, 1996. A miscommunication led to a mid-air collision, resulting in 349 fatalities. 2. Japan Airlines Flight 123, Japan, 1985. A structural failure caused Flight 123 to crash into a mountain, killing 520 people in the worst single aircraft accident. 1. Tenerife Airport disaster, Spain, 1977. The deadliest aviation disaster occurred when two Boeing 747s collided on the runway, killing 583 people. Aviation safety has come a long way, but these tragedies must never be forgotten. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.